for as a friend's a circle of life not without end.
Have you ever felt right to the moon, or ask the grinning bobcat why you've been? Can you sing all the voices around? Can you paint with all the colors of blue? Can you paint with all the colors of the stories they tell of adventure romance? The art of the heart, telling music and dance. You never know what will happen. This bad just a step out. When these worlds collide, anything is possible.
Circle as the star, rising in the east, tale as old as time, song as old as mine. Start in a sketch.
Go. Be our guest, be our guest. Put our service to the test.
Tie your napkin round your neck, Sherry, and we'll provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvres.
While we only live to serve.
Try the great stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me, ask the dishes. They can sing, they can dance.
After all, miss, this is France.
And the dinner here is never second best.
Go on, unfold your menu. Take a glance and then you'll be our guest. We our guest, be our guest. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting your dinner. Beef ragout, cheese soufflé, pie and pudding or flatte. We prepare and serve with flair and culinary cabaret. You're alone in the stand when the rain is on the bed. No one's moving or complaining while the flappers entertain. We tell jokes, I do tricks with my fellow candlesticks, and it's all in perfect taste that you can bear. Come on, lift your glass to one your own free pass to be our guest. If you're stressed, it's fine dining we suggest. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. You're so light on your feet, my dear. You're like a feather in my eye.
It's a guess, it's a lie. Lucky bless. I'm good morning, thank the Lord. I've had an acting expression friend. It's a sensual tea.
Try this at home.
He's over there. Hey, Al, over here. It's your way out. Grab him.
What was that? Sorry, kid. Wrong story. And now, behind door number 2.
Name is Hades, Lord of the Dead. How you doing?
That's my exit.
Hey, so I'm having an off day.
Genie, what? Too far.
Wow, I still got it.
Congratulations. Now, Street Raspberry can't die.
Genie, phone's over. Get me out of here.
Aye, aye, sir.
One's up ahead of the line. One swing ahead of the sword. One trick ahead of disaster. Here quick, not much faster. Here goes. Wish me happy landing. All I gotta do is
All right, out of the water. All bad guys, out of the water. Come on, let's go.
Listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got out there. In somebody else's dream. You dream about going out there.
But that is a big mistake.
Oh yeah, just look out the world around you. Right here on the ocean floor.
Such wonderful things around you. What more are you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea, under the sea. On the shore they work all day. Out in the sun they sail away. While they be going further, floating under the sea.
That's right, Master.
Yeah, man.
Now listen, down here all the fish is happy. As I'm drinking with them. The fish on the land ain't happy. They sad cause they in the bowl.
But fish in the bowl ain't lucky. They in for a worse fate. One day when the boss get hungry, guess who gon' be on the plate?
Wonder!
Under the sea, under the sea, under the sea, under the sea. Nobody beats us, Marius and the tossing fricassee. We want the night go close to coast. Under the sea, we off the hook. We got no trouble. Right in the balls under the sea.
I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna sing, dancing, walking around on those. What do you call them? Oh, feet. With your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down a, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. Out of the
voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be. I will find my way. I can go. I'll be there someday. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. I would go most anywhere to feel like I belong. Out there among the millers and the weavers and their wives, through the roofs and gables I can see them. Every day they shout and soar and go about their lives. Heedless ordinary men who really walk about there just one day, and then I swear I'll be content with my share of reasons of despair. I'll be content. I won't care. I'll just find topsy-turvy day. The festival is fun, no? That's my gypsy attire. And now it's time to crown our king. It is the moment you've been waiting for. You know exactly what's in store. Now's the time we laugh until our sides get sore. Now's the time we crown the king of fools. You all remember last year's king? So make a face that's horrible and frightening. Make a face that's gruesome as a garter's wing. Or the face that's ugliest will be the king of fools. Right? There's nothing else.
This is fake!
para Solvang, na Califórnia, uma cidade de influência holandesa. E aqui passando os campos e as vinícolas depois da Califórnia. Aqui é Solvang. Missão de Santo Inês.
Nós viemos aqui para fazer o quê? Vamos ter que entrar?
A velha missão de Santo Inês.
Pra te refrescar. Olha lá o moinho funcionando, hein? Você não vai tirar foto, né? Vai. Olha o moço. Ah, não. É o moinho. Olha o moinho. Parece que ele vai batendo nas cabeças, né, mãe?
É.
Vai pegar a gente. Deixa eu ver, mãe. Ele consegue pegar, não consegue, mãe? Aí é Papai Noel, ué. Eu fico com 4 e com 2. Você viu com o quê? Depois do Juliano. Tá, mãe, na hora que chegar nos aventureiros você me chama, tá? Tá bom?
Ok.
Você não vai me chamar. Já vai, tá?
Não.
Bater, mãe. Você tem que bater pra chegar aqui. Vamos bater daqui.
Olha lá, papai, olha lá.
Mãe, ali a mãe esquerda. Mas por que os avestruz é mais perigoso?
É.
O que eles fazem?
Não fazem nada, mas é que se não tem comida pra dar é porque não é pra dar.
Amanhã eu tenho que tirar uma foto.
Tá 2, Amanda.
4.
Cadê? 1, 2. Onde tá o 3 e 4?
Estamos aqui em São Francisco, no Motel Six, e estamos provando para todo mundo que o Baba ronca. Aqui nós estamos atravessando a ponte Bay Bridge, indo de Oakland para San Francisco. Tá gostando, Caio e Amanda? E aqui nós vimos o papai dirigindo, prestando bastante atenção.
Mãe,
Oi?
eu vou entrar na base. Não. É, mãe? Não, eu prisioneiro quando existe essa coisa aqui de o prisioneiro vai.
Caio, nós estamos andando no meio do trilho do bondinho. Se nós encontrar um bondinho, o que vai acontecer?
Eles vão bater nele. E este lugar aqui de São Francisco é onde eu subia no drive, que eu era um bandido, né? Os policiais atrás de mim, eu tinha que ir em maior velocidade desviando o bondinho. Vum, 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 vum.
Olha aqui, ó.
É o primeiro bondinho que a gente está encontrando em São Francisco. Amanhã nós vamos andar. Estamos descendo as ladeiras de São Francisco atrás do bondinho. E Alcatraz lá no fundo, onde nós vamos agora.
A prisão.
Quem disse que aqui não tem montanha-russa?
O que ele fica fazendo, né?
E nós vamos terminar saindo nas fotos dos turistas. Quer ver o Quebec?
São 2 montanheiros. Mãe, de que eles deixam eu não lembro, mãe? Claro que eu lembro.
Nós aqui finalmente atravessando a Golden Gate. Um dia de céu azul. Sem neblina.
A ponte vermelha, mãe.
Isso, na ponte vermelha.
100 mil metros. Ah, mãe, quero tirar uma foto. Ô, mãe. Mãe, aquele Uel lá, Uel de Camila, não é, mãe? De Larissa.
Fomos a Salsalito e agora estamos voltando para atravessar a Golden Gate. Olha a ponte, Amanda.